In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a project in Planner 5D. So if you're talking about saving your actual work inside the Planner 5D platform, this is actually done automatically because notice whenever I make a change, it's going to start loading over here top right, and whenever the loading is done, it's going to be automatically saved here into your account, okay? Just like this, as you can see, it's now saved it, and whatever changes you do, it's going to start loading and then saving automatically. So you don't actually have to do anything. However, if you want to save, as in save onto your computer, you can open up your project, go to the share button up top, and then you have three options. You can either print, which is going to print it as a PDF, or of course on a piece of paper if you want to. You could save it as a DWG file, or you can save it as a DXF file, and all of these of course have capabilities to be opened in different programs. They're fully compatible, so you can just click on any of these and it's going to start the export and it's going to get downloaded onto your computer, and that way you can save your projects as well. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.